It's Friday. You have a week's worth of behavioral tracking to log before you can go home. Watch this. This is the Wisdom Copilot. With one click, it processes an entire week of student behavior logs and drafts your reports automatically. In seconds, see who escalated, why they felt dysregulated, and how Solomon AI guided them through de-escalation during the day. Need broader insights? Ask for what you want in plain English. No spreadsheets or manual data sorting required. The Copilot calculates competency trends, flags downward behavioral shifts, and identifies exactly which students need support before issues escalate. Drill down into individual student interactions to understand the exact root cause of an incident. Review actual session transcripts and interventions from box breathing to emotion tracking without interrupting your day. Turn insight into immediate administrative action. Tell the Copilot to log the official note and prepare the follow-up assignment. The IEP progress note is logged, and a personalized SEL module is drafted and ready for review in seconds. Preview curriculum modules directly within your workflow to ensure total alignment with your classroom goals. Click Approve, and the assignment is sent directly to the student's device. Paperwork deleted. The work is done. Return to teaching.